First of all, which inevitably becomes item number one, it's how to de-escalate the situation. That's number one. That's what I'm going to discuss with Chancellor Scholz and President Macron today. Number two is how we're going to avoid further or future provocations and unilateral moves. What are going to be the real guarantees for that? And number three, then we need to focus ourselves on establishing and creating Association of Serb Municipalities, which was signed 10.5 years ago, as you know, April 2013, and after that was not implemented at all. They did not provide it into deeds. And then, of course, there are things that we need to do, things that we need to deliver. And this is very simple, and I believe that it's very much understandable by everybody. At least that's what I heard for the first time, and you know that I'm not a very optimistic person, or almost not at all, but I believe that people now have the real picture of what is going on in the Balkans, which is important, and doesn't matter whether some countries recognized or they did not recognize Kosovo's independence. I believe that it's very clear that there is no just a culprit that was always marked as it's so, which was Serbia, but it's at least much more complicated situation. I'm not going to say it's quite different situation, but I believe that there is more of understanding of the real issues and of the real events that occurred recently, that happened recently in Kosovo and particularly in North Kosovo. Thank you.
What kind of a time frame it can be? Is it from months?
You cannot make it's about content. It's about substance. It's not about 15 days or 20 days or 2 months. Doesn't matter. If we'll be able to resolve the issues, if we'll be able to reach a compromising solution, doesn't matter whether we're going to reach it within 6 months or a year, or 2 years, because it lasts for last 150 years. We need sustainable solution. We don't need nice wishes. We don't need good desires. What we actually need, it's to, first of all, to persuade all our people in the Balkans that compromise is not a bad word, which is not easy. Everybody is being radicalized. Everybody. Even in your countries, because of social networks and everything else. And nobody wants to listen to regular ideas. Everybody wants to see, to hear, and to fulfill their extreme wishes and nothing but that. And we have to keep us away from that and to find some compromising solutions.